Okay, so what we're doing now is we are going to basically take off these top pieces of lemon momentarily, and we are going to add a little bit of this Himalayan salt. So these salt crystals are going just like that, just a little bit. Just a little bit of Himalayan salt. And that's just going to give it a little bit of zip. And zip is, you know, one of those things that bing and bang kind of results from. We're going to cut these bad boys, give it a little scoring, physically cutting pieces. I have a piece on top because I actually had a bigger piece than I thought. So that piece is going to come back over here now. And let that piece stay exposed so it cooks fully. And then we'll separate them here in just a couple minutes. And you can see that this plank is starting to bow, is bowing up. And that is typically what happens, is as the heat goes underneath it, it bows up. The good thing about that is what's happening is all those juices, all those fats are kind of running off to the side. Now, not that they're bad fats, but it keeps the plank dry. The bottom of the fish is going to stay dry. It gives it just an incredible aroma too. As you can see, all this smoke that's coming up all the way around is just going to infuse. We're going to go ahead and do a little taste test. This is a delish taste test. And we're going to just see what we're talking about here. Wow, that balsamic is just to die for. Just that slight tint of that little bit of Himalayan pink salt in there. That is amazing. Good stuff. Rock on. Okay. So now we're talking about putting back on top the lemon. The lemon basically just gives it a nice little zim. And zim is kind of like zip, but just a little bit more acidic and just really freaking flavorful.